Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this 1930s apartment for sale in Rome. Check it out!
Today we are in Rome, capital of Italy, city of charm and beauty, home to landscapes such as the Colosseum, the Pantheon, the Spanish Steps, and Il Foro Romano. Right now we are walking along a private and quiet road in the elite Parioli district, where we will find the apartment that we will see shortly. That is on the second floor of a palazzo dating back to the 1920s. The apartment is 450 square meters, features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and maintains intact all its original details and charm.
Welcome to this extraordinary apartment, which dates back to 1933 and was designed by the renowned architect, Vittorio Morpurgo. The apartment was maintained in its original state. Vittorio Morpurgo wanted to detach from a more classical and traditional architectural style. So, for this apartment, he adopted a combination between il Novecento Italiano and realism. Right now, we are in the main entrance, which was thought out to create a distinct separator between the outdoors and the inside spaces. Here we have a sitting area, and there are so many gorgeous features. The base of the sitting areas and the fireplace are in copper. We have exposed brick details, the floors are in terni stone, and within this space, the areas of the house are distinctly divided. On the one side, if we look up high, we have a jade sculpture that signs the entertainment area. While on the opposite side, the jade sculpture shows a more personal space, which could be a study, bedroom area, or the service quarters. We are going to start by the entertainment areas. Here is a double living area. Each space of the living room has its own function. Right now we are in the family room. So this space was thought to enjoy leisurely and pleasant moments with one's family. The room has a double exposure and access onto a balcony that surrounds the curvature of the space. Passing through these sliding doors, we have the second, more formal living room. This space was thought out for business meetings or hosting relevant personalities. Within this room, we have a number of details worth mentioning. We have etched mirrors by Pietro Chiesa. There are 4 mirrors, and they depict and show different images and themes. Over here, we have a natural theme with etched cactuses that call to the glass cactuses that frame the doorway of Martinuzzi. On the opposite side are etched mirrors with aquatic themes that bring our attention to the tapestries with seahorses and starfish. The 2 mirrors frame a beautiful mural that was hand-painted by Venturino Ventura that recalls the colors of the room. From the living area, we are now connecting to the reception room. This was a very popular type of space in the 30s. The room has its own wet bar, so you could entertain and greet your guests with a drink or aperitif before a meeting or dinner party. The hand-painted curtains and futuristic wallpaper in the wet bar are attributed to Fides Testi, just like the curtains in the formal living area. Central to the space is a sitting area, and above it is a mural hand-painted by Giulio Rossi that portrays the passing of time, how the present builds on top of the past. From here, we can directly connect to the dining area. The dining area has a specific design. Everything follows the oval shape of the room, starting from the central large wooden table to the decor on the floor that is mirrored on the ceilings. Central to the space and true protagonist is this beautiful Art Deco FontanaArte chandelier. The dining room is perfectly connected to the kitchen and service quarters. On each side of the table, there are murals that were hand-painted by Giulio Rossi that show and maintain the same theme as before, which is the past that makes the innovations of today possible. But now, if you'll follow me, let's check out the bedroom area. From the main entrance, we can access the bedroom area. We immediately have a study that has calming tones and is accessible also from the family room. Adjacent is a spacious bathroom with bathtub. Along the hallway, we encounter the master bedroom, which is a perfect picture of what a bedroom would look like in the 1930s. Here we have beautiful wooden furniture with rounded edges and a range of pink fabrics and textiles. Adjacent to the master bedroom is the boudoir. The boudoir changes in style. Here the main colors are silver and green, very calming tones. The artwork on the furnishings and the hand-painted curtains are attributed to Fides Testi. If we look up at the ceiling, there are beautiful silver arrows. This room could also be used as a nursery if one wanted, since it is perfectly connected to the kids' room, which is bright and spacious and embellished by hand-painted details by Venturino Ventura. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this 1930s apartment for sale in Rome. On that note, ciao!